Hello world, welcome to codingscientist.com. We are on lesson number 7, the project number 7. In this lesson, funny Python dice roll. Alright guys, now what is a dice roll? I'm sure many of you would have played a small square cubicle dice which has got 1, 2 and up to 6 digit, not a digit but probably dots, right? Where you can just roll it on the floor and there are ton loads of games. So the same thing we are going to simulate on the screen using few lines of Python code, and we are going to use the random module again. So basically the dice roll simulation can be done by choosing a random integer between 1 and 6 on each segment, right? For which we can basically use the random module in Python programming language. So in this particular project, I will show you how that code looks like. It's pretty simple, couple of lines of code. So let's take a look at it, guys. It's what, about 23 lines of code. It's very simple, right? This includes 23 lines because I had given some space in between and stuff like that. So that's why. So I had also documented, I tried to explain the lines of code, each and every line. So basically we are importing random module and then taking those logics into the while loop, and we are printing each and every statement as an output. As simple as that. It's pretty simple. So let's see how this particular logic works. So basically after importing the random module, you have to access to all the functions which is included in the module. It's pretty long list, of course. For our purpose, we will use only the random.randint function, right? That is one of the function which is inbuilt within the random module. So this particular function returns a random integer, only the integer value based on the start and end we specify. Okay, the smallest value of this particular dice program is 1, not 0. It's 1, and the largest is 6 because that is how the dice works, 1 to 6, right? So this particular logic can be used to simulate the dice roll. Now, how you are going to run this? This basically gives us the start and the end value to use our random.randinit function. Okay, it's an inbuilt function within random module. Now, let's see how to simulate this. Let's run this code. I'm going to show it to you in a minute. Alright, in the command line terminal, it's going to say the value rolling the rice. The values are 3 and 1. It's just a random number, 3 and 1. It's also asking the question, do you want to do it again? I'm going to say yes. Okay, 3 and 5. The values are 3 and 5. Do you want to do it again? I'm going to say yes. Okay, 1 and 4. Do you want to do it again? I'll say yes. 2 and 5. So the game ends till you get 6, the value 6, right? So that's where you win, basically. And it asks again and again. If you say no, it's going to come out of the loop and it's going to stop the program. So it's as simple as that, guys. You can actually build upon this particular line of code and build your a couple of other logics as well. However, in the future lessons, I'm going to show you how we can build a GUI around this program by adding some of the apps and stuff like that with a couple of other libraries. So that's going to get more interesting. All right, for time being, that's it for this lesson. I'll be back soon in the next video. Bye bye.